The next thing which we are going to learn is how to work with the text labels and 3D text in SketchUp. This is a rectangle of 4,4 meter which I have created. So the text label tool is located right here. Let's select it and see how it works. You can just click anywhere. For now, let's click on the line. After clicking, you'll see a line with the arrow on the bottom appearing with the length showing in the text box. You can extend the line as far as you want. From now, you have two options. You can either change what's written inside by typing something like line 1 and then just click anywhere outside to place it, or you can just leave it like this. By clicking on the surface, you will get the area of the rectangle. Now let's look at the 3D text tool, which is located right below the previous tool. By clicking on it, a small window will appear, and from here you can type anything you want. For example, let's type in rectangle. Click on place. If you move your cursor on the face, you'll see some small red plus signs appearing. By clicking on one of them, you will be able to rotate the text in any direction you want.